Several state Republican lawmakers write an open letter to Governor Roy Cooper calling on him to drop the pandemic state of emergency.
As News 13's Kimberly King reports, the lawmakers say continuing it could hurt tourism.
Republicans feel that the emergency status is hurting the economy and tourism. But Governor Cooper has said that the federal status is tied to an emphasis that's ongoing to get people vaccinated and also tied to federal money for programs with the pandemic.
This is not a partisan issue.
State Representative John Bell is Republican House Majority Leader.
What's your number one concern for North Carolina right now if we remain in a state of emergency for another month?
My number one concern is that we still have limitations. We have children wearing masks in schools. Other states around us are completely opening up.
Now, if a state is open versus they don't know what the rules are, they're not going to come to North Carolina.
Republicans writing the governor, vaccinations are widely available and cases are at new lows.
And here we sit in North Carolina with our one arm tied behind our back, trying to run our economy and recover from the devastation COVID has caused.
Governor Cooper hasn't responded to the Republicans' letter, but said this last week.
The state of emergency needs to continue. We need to continue to draw down federal funds. We need to continue to do things to make sure that we get people vaccinated.
The letter cites South Carolina Republican Governor Henry McMaster, who dropped the state's emergency status. Virginia Governor Ralph Northam, a Democrat, has stated he hopes to let Virginia's emergency status expire at the end of the month. McDowell County has dropped their county pandemic emergency status, eliminating mass vaccine sites.
We have a number of local pharmacies and other providers that are able to vaccinate individuals who are still requesting a COVID-19 vaccine. We're seeing cost savings from manpower, equipment, disposable supplies that were used for vaccine administrations.
Any costs for counties with related pandemic programs will be reimbursed, they say, by federal monies earmarked for the pandemic. Reporting outside the Buncombe County Health Department, Kimberly King, News 13.